I knew a pretty cat pissed me off. I will slap you so hard even Google won't be able to find you shirt. Good friend whose favorite website was a shock website that uploads really disturbing, violent videos, like beheadings, mutilations, gruesome deaths and gruesome torture, and disturbing sexual videos from around the world. Really frightening sick videos. It's one of his favorite websites. He showed me a couple of times and he was laughing and, "Pretty cat piss me off, I will slap you so hard even Google won't be able to find you" shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, and accused me of things I never did. He would use to joke about torturing cats. And he would, "Pretty cat piss me off, I will slap you so hard even Google won't be able to find you." Shirts include bloody scenarios, like throwing them against the wall and blood spewing out. I wonder if that website changed him or he always had it in him. He did tell me one time his ex had a cat who meowed at night, and one time, when they were bathing him in the other product,